X2 is ready to take off.
Tall aircraft for low-altitude urban use. While the industry is still in its infancy, Morgan Stanley forecasts that the urban air mobility sector could soar to $1 trillion globally by 2040. The tech companies are continuing to test for safety, laying the groundwork to ensure a smooth takeoff when the time comes. Outside the tech halls, crowds are given a glimpse of what the future of flying cars could look like. This is the X2, a battery-powered aircraft known as an eVTOL, which can take off and land vertically. Equipped with autonomous flying capabilities, it's designed to carry 2 passengers for up to 25 minutes on a single charge. It was produced by XPENG AEROHT, an affiliate of Tesla rival XPENG.
What we're different compared to a lot of the other eVTOL players is that we think ultimately there's a big demand for consumers to own something that they can drive and fly at the same time. Obviously, right now, flying in low altitude is still not very large market yet. But we think China has huge potential, as well as globally, to use low altitude flying. I think the next big wave is what we call smartification, not just electrification.
This flying car will actually be allowed to fly. Aleph Aeronautics, a California-based startup, has received a special airworthiness certification from the Federal Aviation Administration. That means the company will be able to test out their Model A on the ground and in the skies. The Aleph Model A can carry up to 2 people at a time. It's considered a low-speed vehicle. It drives fast enough to be street legal, but if a driver wants more speed, the company assumes they'll take the car into the air. Takeoff in this vehicle is vertical, straight into the sky like a helicopter, instead of needing a runway like a plane. The electric vehicle has a long road, or sky, of prototype testing ahead of it. But Aleph is already taking pre-orders for the Model A, which is expected to sell for $300,000.